Okay, this video is about functions. There's a couple on the final, not a lot, but a couple. Now remember, the number we put into the function is called the domain. The item we get as an answer of the function is called the range. So if I said what's f of 2, first thing you have to do is find the function called f, which is right here. So we're going to put 2 into the variable x over here. So I would have 2 squared plus 6 times 2. So I just put 2 wherever I see x. Now 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4, plus 6 times 2 is 12, so that would be 16. So f of negative 4, again use function f, so it'd be negative 4 squared plus 6 times negative 4. So it would be negative 4 squared is 16 plus 6 times negative 4. There's no square, so it doesn't become positive. It'd be minus 24. Now you may use a calculator on the final. So g of 6, we'd find g, here it is, says take whatever we put in for x and add 4 to it. So it'd be 6 plus 4 is 10. Then h of 10, find function h, it'd be 3 times 10 plus 4. So it'd be 30 plus 4 is 34. So if I have h in, that's a variable, that means just replace the variable here with in. So it'd be 3 in plus 4. That's all you do. It's all you can do. So take the same 3 functions at the top and do those 4 for me. So freeze the video, do those 4, and then turn it back on. Okay, so f of negative 3, function f is here, so we're going to put negative 3 in for x. So it'd be negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3. So it'd be 9 plus negative 18, that would be minus 9. G says take the number and add 4, so it'd be negative 10 plus 4, and that would be negative 6. H of 6, the function h, here we go, put the number in for x, so it'd be 3 times the 6 plus 4, that'd be 18 plus 4 is 22. Then the last one says put in 1/3 for h, so it'd be 3 times a third plus 4. These are reciprocals. Whenever you multiply reciprocals, you get 1. Plus 4 is 5. So if I said what's the domain of h, for this problem, the domain of h would be a third. That's a number I put in for h. 6 and 10. If I said what's the domain of g, I'd say 6, let's see, and negative 10, because those are the only 2 numbers I put in for g. If I said what's the domain of f, you would go, well, h also had an n. I missed that. So 10 n, 6 and 1/3 for h. Lost the n, sorry about that. So if I said what's the domain of f, you would say 2, negative 4, and negative 3. Then if I said what's the range of f, you'd go, okay, the answer for f here, negative 9, negative 8, and 16. The domain for g would be negative 6, or 10. So the domain are the numbers you put in or we put in. The range are the numbers you get out, the answers to the function. Okay.